Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize gestures on your headphones Soundcore P3. You have to start by open the application and go to controls. Now let's work with a single tap. I prefer to leave it here, but if you want to you can click on your left or right earbud and just changing for the play next track or play pause. But I wanna leave it with the volume up and volume down. For the double tap, the same. For the left one we have next track, but I prefer to take previous track. And for the right one I prefer to take next track. Here we go, but you can also choose voice assistant or ambient sound or play pause, what will be the best one for you. And let's go to press and hold, and by default we have ambient sound, so I wanna change it. For the left one I'll take voice assistant, and for the right one I prefer play and pause. And that's it. If you don't like it, you can just click here on the reset button and click yes to reset it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.